The nationally ranked Department of Bioengineering at the University of Pittsburgh offers focused master's programs to expand your bioengineering career. For the entrepreneurial-minded, we offer a master's in medical product engineering that helps you envision new products and solutions for the clinical marketplace. With a foundation in Pitt's expertise in neuroscience, the new master's in neuroengineering prepares you for this fast-growing field. And for students who are primarily interested in research, our thesis-based program combines academic rigor with a research project focus on one of 6 academic tracks.
Recent advances in technology propel bioengineering to the forefront of biomedical research. Our own community, including scientists and physicians from the renowned medical school, have been at the center of these discoveries. Pitt BioE, in turn, has been rewarded with the recruitment of talented faculty, postdoctoral fellows, and graduate students, who in turn have continued to do high-impact research.
Our faculty and students are tackling some of the world's most complex problems, from engineering tissues and organs to developing artificial lungs and other assistive devices. Our network of industry connections provide real-world experience for our students and open doors to new careers.
Not only are they sharing all of these amazing opportunities with us, but they're connecting us to people who can also help us get into industry and get the kind of jobs we want.
There's a bunch of biotech startups in Pittsburgh, so there's a lot of people in the area who kind of understand the full journey of bringing a medical product to market, and they also understand, how important it is to give back to students and teach the next generation of engineers how to do that.
Students bring their innovations to life with support from various biomedical innovation and translation activities within the Department of Bioengineering and the Office of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, which help to accelerate a product's path to commercialization.
The programs definitely made me feel much more confident in what I know and the different things that I could see myself doing going forward.
Bioengineering at the University of Pittsburgh, leveraging excellence in engineering, medicine, and innovation for student success.